pride you get from making food and then giving it to somebody and they actually think it is good.
So we're in New Orleans and we just finished a sampling event at Whole Foods Market. So we visit my friend Jamaal William, who lives here in New Orleans. He is the NFL player and we met once in Tokyo. 今日はラーメンを作ることにして時間節約でチャーシューだけ仕込んでいこうと思ってチャーシュー作ってます。この圧力鍋でチャーシューを煮込んでるよ。ニューオーリンズに来て気づいたんだけど、どこのレストラン行っても辛いよね。全ての料理が結構スパイシーで、きっとこっちの人はすごくスパイシーな味が普通というか好きなんだと思う。だからちょっとうまみソースのさ、スパイシーうまみソース持ってってみようか。今まだデベロッピング中だけど、それ作ってラーメン使ってみよう。
すごい。I love your dress.
Thank you.
They are. Let me go get one of their toys so you can really have some fun. I'll be right back. I'm pretty good with breakfast though.
Oh wow, breakfast? Oh nice.
So I can make eggs, scrambled eggs, that's my favorite.
Oh yeah.
Pancakes,
Yeah.
that's another favorite. What is this?
This is salmon. You eat fish, right?
I eat everything.
Ah, nice. This is oil sardine.
Ooh.
We use niboshi, the little dried sardine for ramen usually, but we couldn't find Japanese ingredients here.
Okay.
So
Yeah, I bet.
yeah, we use it. You like Japanese food?
Oh, I love it.
Ooh, what's your favorite?
Well, out here we just had top ramen. I've been eating ramen noodles forever. Yeah, I love ramen noodles. But I will say in Japan, ramen is delicious out there.
Wow. From now on, you can make your own ramen at home. I made chashu, pork meat in advance. Long time no see.
It's so great to see you.
Yeah, it's been a while. Is it 2 years ago?
I think it's been, 2 years.
Yeah.
I miss it already. I'm sad.
Oh.
I had such a great time.
Yeah, but I heard that you like anime.
Oh yeah, Naruto is my favorite. But
Naruto. Oh, is it anime?
oh yeah, so this one's like Death Note.
I see.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this note. Oh here. 本当だ。かわいい. So what makes you to like anime?
When I was growing up, I was what you would call a nerd. I started with Naruto because it was on Cartoon Network. And I was just like, man, I could really relate to how he is, as in just trying to be a good person. Even when adversity hits, not letting it take over and make you evil, but just still go out and send out positivity and energy. You know what I mean? The action scenes is always great. You know, the fighting scenes is what it is, but I get more just out of the principles and the morals of the characters. What's your favorite? You got a favorite?
Anime?
Yeah.
Actually, I don't watch anime so much. I like Pokemon.
You like Pokemon?
Yeah.
What do you like? Like, what's your show?
Anime?
No, just your favorite show. What's your favorite show?
Oh, I like cooking show.
Cookie shows?
Yeah.
I do too. I like Bizarre Food. It's with this dude named Andrew Zimmerman. He eats bizarre things. He's the reason I started eating sushi.
Oh, wow.
But he eats way worse things than that. Like heart, lungs, liver. I'm not there yet. I still want to eat an eel or something like that.
But you know everything. Yeah.
Oh, no.
Anime to cooking show. Yeah.
It's just the things I like, honestly. I just like watching food. I like eating food. I like watching anime. They be putting food in it. There's one called Delicious in Dungeons. Oh my God. The point of it is they're in the dungeon. They're fighting monsters and they have to survive off of the monster. Man, you would think they would taste nasty. But there's a dude in there who knows how to make them into like delicious meals and make it look normal. And it looks so delicious.
Oh, I'm so excited to do cooking show together too.
I miss
tonight.
you. Yeah.
Okay, I just boiled pork.
Yeah.
Here.
Oh, that's like your strainer. This is the strainer.
Oh yes, true. Yeah. This is very Japanese.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, made from bamboo. What's your home dish?
My home dish?
Yeah, or your
That I can make or was my favorite?
your favorite or your family's food?
Favorite thing that I've ever had at home probably is gumbo.
Oh, gumbo.
Yeah, I like
wow.
gumbo. But I'm so simple. Like I love peanut butter jelly sandwiches too, just because they're delicious. And the gumbo is, you know, crab legs, shrimp,
Oh, yeah.
you know, potatoes, your sausages in there.
You eat with rice?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
I love teriyaki sauce.
Oh, wow.
The McDonald's out there in Tokyo.
Did you try teriyaki burger?
Yes.
Oh.
It's delicious.
Oh, there is
They don't
teriyaki.
have it out here. No.
Oh, wow. I didn't know that.
Yes, y'all have delicacies out there. Our stores here compared to like the stores y'all have out there that are Americanized,
Yeah.
they're so much better.
Oh.
I feel like y'all are spoiled out there.
Oh.
I'm jealous.
Umami sauce.
Yeah?
And then it's like teriyaki sauce. This is for you.
Is this for me?
Yeah. You can just pour on your steak or barbecue or hamburgers.
Can I open it and
Oh,
smell
yes,
it?
yes.
Say it again.
Umami sauce.
Umami. I like the name.
Yeah, you know
Umami
umami?
sauce.
Oh yeah, thank you.
Tastes delicious.
Umami.
This is great.
Yes.
So what does umami mean?
Kind of taste. It's same as sweetness, sourness, and spicy, and umami. Yeah, you can taste it.
Ooh.
This is concentrate sauce, so very smells strong. But you have kids?
Oh yeah, I have a daughter.
Oh,
7-year-old.
子供いるんだって。
Let me see how you do it.
Oh yes, just
Okay.
okay.
All right.
Taste.
Taste test it.
Is it good?
That's delicious.
Oh, よかった。I believe.
Oh my goodness
Nice.
gracious. That is delicious.
Yeah.
We better hurry up for I'll literally just eat this right now.
Umami is the most important elements for Japanese food.
Are you selling these? Are they in the US? Like can I buy
yeah.
this in the store
yes,
here?
Whole Foods Market.
Okay. All right. Ooh. This is way better than regular teriyaki sauce.
Thank you.
And it's not even like salty. It's not as like
yes.
it feels healthy.
Yes, for umami sauce, this is very good ramen base. New Orleans food, very spicy, everything.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
They're like
Yeah.
the favorite one to use is
Oh, what's that?
slap your mama.
What's that? Oh, Cajun.
Yeah, Cajun season.
Oh, yeah.
Man, this is delicious.
Oh, but smells spicy.
It gives it the nice good kick
Oh,
on it.
nice.
But this is delicious.
I'm not good at spice, very spicy food.
Yeah.
But I realize that people around here love spicy taste. I tried that raw fish.
Did you crack it?
Oh, yeah. Oh.
I can't do it.
Oh, really?
I don't like getting messy yet. When you get a fish, do you cut it and everything too?
Yes,
Like you
yes.
take the guts out and
Oh,
you do
yes,
all that?
yes.
I watched a dude on YouTube do
Oh,
it.
yeah?
His name's like Masaru.
Oh, yeah, I know.
You know who he is? He's a
yes.
diver. You know, getting the stuff out, but I just can't do it because I got texture issues. Ugh.
Oh,
That's just me. These are my two energetic ones.
yeah. You're cat person.
Oh yeah, I'm a cat man.
Yeah.
Got my cat shirt.
Oh, is it cat? Oh.
Yeah. I do love dogs too, but when I first got like these two, when they first came in, they went straight to the litter box. Like
Oh.
I didn't have to teach them nothing.
My daughter really loves cat. And
Do you?
yeah.
Aw.
And she really wants to have one, but we're traveling right now.
Yeah,
And
there's no need for one right now.
yeah.
They take more naps than they actually play. Before y'all came, they were knocked out. They my best sleeping buddies too.
Oh, you like oil sardine?
Honestly, I never ate them like that.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so this is honestly my first time actually like looking at sardines.
Do you trust me?
Go ahead.
Oh, yeah. Okay. We just 2 or 3.
Oh, that's crazy. This reminds me of when I had a goldfish and it died. That's what it looked like.
Ramen in Japan, they use this kind of fish for broth. Break it down in the soup. And also, I'm gonna use the nori seaweed for adding the sea smell. I don't know.
No, I got you. Like
Yeah.
make it smell like the ocean.
Oh yeah, you like sushi?
I love it.
Ooh.
I love sushi.
You like raw fish as well? Ooh. Nori goes very well for ramen. And nori is very easy to get here in the US as well. So boil up here. Can I use it?
Yes, ma'am. There's this one.
And then comes to a boil. Yeah. Done.
That's done?
Yeah, this is ramen. Perfect ramen soup. Boiled noodle here.
The eggs are soaked in that too?
Yes.
My goodness. I love boiled eggs growing up.
Oh, nice.
I never was a fan of the yolk though, but I love the outside of it.
Oh, yeah. Can you eat the soft boiled egg?
I can eat everything. No
Oh,
worries.
yeah, okay.
I'm grown now. I'm a grown man.
Oh, yeah.
I eat everything now.
But he's scared of feet smoking.
I'm not scared. I got texture issues. That's all, man.
Still not soaked yet, but 大丈夫, 大丈夫. This is ramen egg. Good.
Can I eat it?
Oh yes, yes, of course, of course.
Can I put some more on it?
Yeah, more. Oh, thank you. You are so kind.
That is crazy.
Good. Also,
You made the yolk taste good. I don't even like the yolk. That's crazy.
You are a sports player, so it's very important to eat, right?
Oh yeah, proteins. Make sure you're eating the right thing.
Oh yeah.
A little bit because I'm on the off season, so I'm having my little cheat days.
Oh yeah.
But literally just, proteins, make sure knowing your body and how you eat. So me, I love peanut butter.
Oh, peanut butter.
Yeah, I love peanut butter.
Yeah.
Peanut butter jelly sandwiches. It's like my comfort food, really.
Wow.
Yeah. Just learn how to cook just so I can be able to make meals like this and feel proud about it. Because now I'm starting to understand, because I'm starting to cook now, of the appreciation and like the pride you get from making food and then giving it to somebody and they actually eating it and thinking it's good.
Oh yeah.
So I like this.
Oh, so sweet. Yeah.
Thank you for showing me something new.
Oh,
I promise you.
yeah.
This is so great.
You making food for your family?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna start doing.
Oh, nice.
I think the next thing I'm gonna make is ramen noodles.
Oh yes, yes. This is very easy, so I write it down the recipe for you.
Appreciate it. My friend, they are like, he's really jealous right now. I'm gonna call him again. See
Oh
if he
yes, yes. Jim.
Mr. Escanor. Hello, sir. Yes, son, I know. I know. Hey.
Hi.
Say hello.
こんにちは。はじめまして。
こんにちは.
All the time they say the kitchen.
Oh, thank you. Long time friend?
Yeah, we from high school.
Oh.
The egg that she just gave me right now was so delicious. Catch you on the bra?
Oh yes, yes.
Yeah, we made it.
No way.
I love the culture. I love the dresses. The only thing I can't wear is those sandals. They hurt my
really?
feet. My feet was hurting that day, boy. My feet are ugly. They look like falcon claw. And then, the pictures that they took out that day?
Oh yeah, yeah.
I told them one specific thing. Do not show my feet.
Oh yeah.
Boy, they put my feet on social media. It was the first thing people said. Dang, look at his feet. Man, look at them bunions. Good Lord. You guys made this day. I'm sorry. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. So where do you get this ramen from?
Oh, this is from Asian market. Do you have Asian market about here?
Probably.
Oh yeah. Just boil this around 2 minutes.
Sadly, I was wanting to put my ramen noodles in the microwave.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I have the perfect thing for this. I'll be right back.
なんだろう?
I have a reason to open it.
なんだろう? Oh, what's that?
The ramen bowls.
Oh my god! Wow!
I finally have a reason to use them.
Wow!
What do you want to use?
Oh yeah, maybe the Naruto? Yeah, very
You gotta get
beautiful.
This is a special occasion, so I had to pull one of them.
Oh yeah! 見てこれ。ここにね。I have a lot of anime fans.
Do you?
Viewers, so yeah, they are so excited.
I had so much fun when I was in Japan. You know how people be like bombard you like with a whole bunch of people?
Oh yeah.
They were so respectful at the same time. Ooh, you okay?
Oh yeah, very very hot. Okay. I want to strain for the fish and seaweed
Oh, so you don't even technically eat
Yeah.
the seaweed.
to make beautiful clear soup.
They smell wonderful. All right.
Yes. It's good.
I'm learning that means hot.
Hi, hot. So you can understand Japanese? You watch anime in Japanese or?
I do, but with subtitles. I'm learning while I'm looking at it.
Oh yeah, you can hear.
I'm learning the difference, yeah.
Yeah.
Like when I was in Tokyo,
Yeah.
my favorite thing was just turn on the TV and like just trying to guess what the commercial is about. I'm still learning, but I'm having fun with
Oh
it. Though.
yeah. Here.
Ooh.
Beautiful.
Wait, you put that in there?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. One thing I had to learn is how to use some chopsticks.
A chopstick.
Yeah. Have you seen a movie called Kill Bill?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Remember?
Okay. And also green onion
Oh.
for the plating.
Wait, you supposed to pick these up with chopsticks too?
Yeah. You can do it.
What you do? Put it in the hole?
Oh yeah. So cute.
Can I eat it? I eat it.
今ね見えないでしょ。
Oh, are you hungry?
ラーメンできたよ。
Oh.
Yes, yes, yes. You can eat it. It's very hot. You learned.
How did you do that? Oh my goodness.
Too cold, too hot.
I'm a baby. Don't worry about me. I got it.
Be careful.
Oh my gosh. This tastes delicious.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Looks ramen.
New Orleans ramen.
You orange ramen. じゃあラーメン食べる？
Oh my gosh. That thing is delicious.
パパちょっと食べてみて。
That is crazy. What sardines do to.
おいしそうね。
Oh, very hot. That's what I said. See? I knew I wasn't tripping. Mo just got hands of steel.
おいしい？
Good.
Yeah.
Very hot.
Yeah, I'm definitely going to sleep after this. You know, fill my belly up. Put pepper in it too?
Pepper and salt.
Oh. Honestly, it's perfect what it is, but I'm gonna put a little bit. This feels it. But the way they make it,
You are very funny. Thank you so
no,
much.
I appreciate y'all. Thank you.
Thank you.
You guys made my heart, bro.
No, yeah.
I have something for y'all though.
Oh,
So you guys got something to do together?
oh, what's that?
It's a Lego. It's
Wow.
a Rocket the Raccoon.
Oh, wow.
He's from Marvel Sega. He's a superhero.
Oh, yeah. Thank you.
So just in case, if y'all have nothing to do, you can build a Lego together.
Thank you. すーちゃんすごいのもらっちゃった。レゴ。
Wow.
こんな難しいのできるかな Thank you.
Yeah.
Raccoon.
Yeah, Rocket Raccoon.
へえ、すごいね。
Just in case y'all want to have fun, that's all.
Thank
I
you.
enjoy building Lego, so.
Oh, thank you so
Yeah,
much.
you're great. I just appreciate y'all coming, for real.
Yay, thank you.
You want to come see my game room?
Oh my god.
Mostly the fans that are giving me something. So.
Wow.
What is your favorite game?
My favorite? Gengar. Yeah. Gengar, and then I love all the evolutions.
Thank you.
Oh, you guys are awesome.
So much.
Come here, give me a hug. You get a hug too. Come on. Bring it in, bud.
Thank you.
Yeah.